Hello everybody. The bird not here now. We need to catch with these, right? Its belly and flashes. We need to put these and we can catch the bird. Maybe we can catch the bird. Like the beach, it's have a bigger this is bigger. And the mouse is coming. Fall over the mouse. Okay? It looks like this. It's big and to this. Right? And we catch the bird, right? Catch the bird with these. Maybe he's coming to that flower. Maybe he's can blow up, into a pig. And we can stand over that. And we cannot gunpowder. Maybe we can. Over that house, right? I want over that house. This is I am see a bird over there. And I am catch the bird like this. Like that. The bird, maybe we can see it. Maybe the chicken eat it.
Yeah.
Chicken over there.
The chicken.
Maybe we can catch this, Daddy. Maybe it's still far away. I can't get it far away. Maybe we can look like this. See it with this, right? We can put this here, and boom!
Wow. Boom!
Come and go to there, right? Like this. Boom! Like that, right? I can't play this, right, Daddy? Because I can't make pull away.
Okay.
Yes. This is a small for
Stone, the stone?
for the chicken, right? He's like big dog.
Mimis, nene, mimis.
And snake.
Yeah.
And slug. I don't like slug. Slug are disgusting. Okay. Slug not here, right? He's eating night. Everyone is asleep. And his and the slug slow eat that thing because slug like eat this. Maybe we can for the slug. It's not far away. He's eat nothing far away. Like this. Like that. I think I want to get flower. There. Look like it's not far away. Like this. I want to know. No. Maybe the glass is broken, right? Now, bye-bye. Next you later.